Hey there TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and this is tutorial number 64 for the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, the TRW Custom Brush button. So you're going to find this button located in the bottom right corner of the TRW Stone Wizard, and it's going to be right here where it says TRW Brushes. So what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to use some of the custom TRW artistic brushes that are included with the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0. And we will also have additional add-on packs for this as well that you could purchase at a later date. So if I click on the brushes right here, what that's going to do is it's going to pull up my brush stroke menu up at the top here. So the one I want to look at is right here. So I have my just regular brush. And you're going to see custom. And then these are the different ones that are included with the wizard right now. So for example, this checkerboard one, if I wanted that checkerboard, all I'm going to do is draw the checkerboard, and then that's what we'll actually get for it. So if I drew a line straight across, if I drew a line at an angle like this, you can see that it's going to give that checkerboard look. So if I wanted it to go just around like this, again, so all different types of paths that you can draw. And then what you can also do is, I'm just left clicking and holding. If I wanted to make it a little bit smaller, I could go to 2-inch width right there, and it's going to make it a little bit smaller. Once I'm ready for it to be done, I'm going to break it apart, and then I can just select my path, get rid of that, and then when I go into my wireframe, you can see that's a vector object right there. So it created a vector object of that actual path. Now let me click on the button again. This one's pretty cool. Go to the brush tool, and I'm going to select the laces right here. So what I can do with this, there's some custom baseball laces. So I could draw it down like this, draw it down like that, and I have some custom baseball laces that I just drew, and so you can do it in whatever shape you want. So if you wanted it done like this, there's some custom laces there. I want to go ahead and break it apart, get rid of this path, and I can see my path here of my custom laces that could be ready to cut right now. And then we have a few others in here that I'll run through you just to show you. We also have right here our claw. So if I draw that, that's going to draw a claw just like this. So I can do it straight across. I can do it kind of at an angle, so you can see the claw coming down. So if I want to do multiple claws, I could just draw them like this, where it looks like a claw coming into the design. What I can also choose is the one where we have all four already. Now see how it made it real thin right there? We just come up here, change it to a different width of, let's say, 7 inches, and there we go. So if I want it to go this way, 7 inches, there we go. I want it curved a little bit, there you go, to have it curved a little bit. Click on break paths, get rid of our actual path right here, and then when I go into my wireframe, we have ourselves a vector cuttable object right there. Very easy. And I think I have one or two more that are included with the wizard that I can show you here real quick. We also have the rip and then the wings. So for example, right here, there's to where it can give kind of a rip going through a design. There's a 2-color rip going through a design. And then this one right here I like. These are the wings. So if I were to draw this way, you can see it formed this wing right here, right? Well now, if I wanted to drag this over and duplicate it, scoot this a little bit closer together to form my actual wings. Now what I could do is highlight them both, break it apart, get rid of my original paths, and now I have a set of wings that I can make smaller, make wider, whatever you want. Very easy in the wizard. So hope you enjoyed this awesome feature in the TRW Stone Wizard version 3.0, and that is our TRW custom brush button in the bottom right corner here. But if you do have any questions, make sure to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. This is Matt with the RhinestoneWorld.com, and you guys all have a great day.